How to improve English skill? English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, whether for academic success, career, growth, travel, or communication in the today's global world. Learning English opens many doors. However, improving English skill, speaking, listening, reading, and writing requires dedication, practice, and the right stances. This easy explore effective way to improve English and build confidence in using it. Number 1. Start with clear goal. Improving your English become easier when you set clear and realistic goals. For example, your goal might be I want to speak fluently within 6 months, or I will learn 10 new words every day. Small, measurable goal keep you focused and motivated. Tracking your progress regularly also helps you stay on course. Number 2, reading every day. Reading is the one of the best way to expand your vocabulary and understand sentence structure. You can start with simple materials like storybooks, news articles, or blogs and gradually move to more advanced text reading for just 15 to 20 minutes daily helps you naturally learn new words, grammar, and different writing styles. It also improves your understanding of how English is used in context. While reading, note unfamiliar words, guess the meaning from the sentence, check the meaning in the dictionary. Try using those words in your own sentence. This habit will not only improve your reading skill but also help in the writing and speaking. Number 3. Practice speaking regularly. Many learners understand English well but struggle to speak confidently. The key is consistent speaking practice. Find a partner or join a language group to practice speaking English. If you don't have a partner, speaking in front of mirror or record your voice to listen and correct your pronunciation. Shadowing is another useful method. Listening to English audio like podcast or YouTube videos and try to repeat what is said, imitating the speaking tone and pronunciation. This help with fluency, rhythm, and accent. Number 3. Practice speaking regularly. Many learners understand English well but struggle to speak confidently. The key is consistent speaking practice. Find a partner or join a language group to practice speaking English. If you don't have a partner, speaking in front of mirror or record your voice to listen and correct your pronunciation. Shadowing is another useful method. Listening to English audio like podcast or YouTube videos and try to repeat what is said, imitating the speaking tone and pronunciation. This help with fluency, rhythm, and accent. Number 5. Write daily. Writing helps organize your language and improve grammar, Start by keeping a daily journal in English. Write about your day, your thoughts, or anything you find interesting. You can also write essay, email, or social media post in English. Focus on using new vocabulary, practicing sentence structure, checking your grammar and spelling, asking someone to correct your writing, if possible. Online tools like Grammarly can help you find and fix. Number 6. Expand your vocabulary. Having a rich vocabulary is essential for effective communication. Learn new words every day. Don't just memorize them, use them. Make flashcards, keep a word journal, and revise regularly. Try to learn words in context, not in isolation. For example, instead of just learning, achieve, learn a sentence like she achieved her goal through hard work. Group words by them and practice them throughout writing and speaking over them. This will make your vocabulary natural and usable. Number 7. Use technology and apps. There are many apps and websites designed to improve English. Duolingo, BBC Learning, English, Memorize, LangQ, and others offer lessons on grammar, vocabulary, speaking, and listening. You can learn on your phone anytime, anywhere. Some platforms even allow you to practice with native speakers or AI chatbots, which is great to real life practice. YouTube channels, podcasts, and audiobooks are also excellent resource. Choose your learning styles, videos, audio, interactive quizzes, and use what works best for you. Number 8. Learn grammar in context. Grammar is important, but it does not have to be boring. Instead of memorizing rules, learn grammars throughout reading and writing. When you see a sentence like, he has been working all day, observe how the present perfect continuous tense is used. Understanding grammar in use is more effective than just learning the rules. You can also take short grammar lesson daily and try using the new structure in your speech and writing immediately. Number 9. Be consistent and patient. Language learning is a journey. It does not happen overnight. Many learners give up too early because they accept fast result. But like any skill, playing the piano, cooking, or diving, learning English takes time and state effort. The key is consistency. Practicing a little every day is more effective than studying for hours once a week. Celebrate small achievements like using a new word correctly or finishing a book in English. These small wins build confidence and keep you going. Number 10. Stay motivated and confident. Fear of making mistakes often stop people from using English. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches you sometimes. Don't be afraid to speak, write or ask questions in English. The more you using the language, the better you will get. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone language. Follow English pages on social media. Think in English when possible. Create a learning environment that support your goal. Conclusion. Improving English skill requires a mix reading, listening, writing and speaking along with regular practice and a positive attitude. With clear goal, daily habits and the right tools, anyone can learn and master English, whether we are a student, a professional, or simply passionate about language. Remember, a few minutes of smart practice every day leads to lifelong fluency. Would you like this easy in PDF format or broken down into smaller lesson for daily learning? Please like, comments and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.